highest rainfall for Puducherry in the last 30 years in a single day recorded due to Cyclone Fangel. 48.4 centimeters rainfall was recorded in the last 24 hours. Cyclone Fangel remains stationary near Pondicherry to weaken in the next 3 hours. Meanwhile, operations at the Chennai airport, which had been suspended on Sunday, resumed past midnight, but many flights suffered cancellations and delays. Cyclone Fangel started making landfall near Puducherry around 5:30 p.m. on Saturday and completed the process between 10:30 p.m. and 11:30 p.m. The highest rainfall for Puducherry in the last 30 years was recorded in a single day due to the cyclone. 48.4 centimeter rainfall was recorded in the last 24 hours. Cyclone Fangel currently remains stationary near Puducherry and it's to weaken in the next 3 hours. Meanwhile, operations at the Chennai airport, which had been suspended on Sunday, resumed past midnight, but many flights suffered cancellations and delays. Cyclone Fangel started making landfall near Puducherry around 5:30 p.m. on Saturday and completed the process between 10:30 p.m. and 11:30 p.m. Shilpa Nair is joining us live on the broadcast from Puducherry. Shilpa, we're just learning that Puducherry recorded the highest rainfall in the last 30 years. How badly do you think Puducherry is affected right now? What can you see on ground?
Well, yes, Chetna. In fact, as far as Puducherry is concerned, it's unprecedented and historic rainfall that Puducherry has recorded. 46 centimeter of rainfall is what the IMD has said in the last 24 hours, and that's quite a huge amount of rainfall. In fact, ever since the landfall process also started, we've been here since yesterday morning tracking the cyclone, and from the time the cyclone landfall started, that is around 5:30 p.m. last evening, the rains intensified and there have been heavy spells of rains all throughout the night, and that's the reason why you see a lot of flooding. There's severe flooding in Puducherry. Several residential areas are completely flooded, and the Indian Army, the NDRF teams, the SDRF teams, the Fire Force, all of them at this point in time are carrying out rescue and relief operations. Areas like Krishna Nagar, Rainbow Nagar, Valalar Salai, all of these locations are completely flooded, and you can see from the visuals all these vehicles also, at this point in time, it's damaged due to the rainwater that has come in, and that is the situation prevailing in Puducherry. But the concerning part is that though the cyclone has made a landfall, it has crossed the coast, the weather system is still close to Puducherry and it has been lying stationary for the last couple of hours, and because of that more rains are expected for Puducherry, for areas like Villupuram, Kadalur, Kallakurichi, etc. And that, of course, is the cause of concern, because already we are seeing severe flooding in Puducherry and other regions in North Tamil Nadu. And if the rains are going to continue, then that is going to be a huge challenge for the people, for the authorities, because already there's a lot of difficulty that people are going through at this point in time. In fact, what you see here is the Kamraj Saleh, one of the prominent junctions in Puducherry, but you can see the visuals, the kind of flooding in this junction as well. But as you move into residential areas, the situation is even worse at this point in time. Water's entered the ground floor of almost all houses in some of these residential areas, and people are forced to move to the floors above. Some of them are stranded. There's no electricity since last night, and there's also, people are struggling to get basic essentials. Milk is in shortage. So all of this is adding to the problems of the people, and the government, of course, at this point in time, we spoke to Minister Namasivayam, who says we are, of course, deploying more and more rescue teams into the worst affected areas to ensure that people are brought to safer locations. In fact, the Puducherry district collector also just issued an order in the morning asking for the educational institutions in Puducherry to be converted to relief centers. So that's the kind of impact Cyclone Fangel has made as far as Puducherry is concerned. And the IMD predicts that the weather system will weaken into a deep depression in the coming hours. But until that happens, until the system moves, forward, Puducherry will continue to get more rains, and that's the most troubling part at this point in time, Chetna.